Don't you to go. Don't you to go. ¿Qué te importa? ¿Qué te Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Don't you to go. Young, you the GOAT.
chat. Holy. Who goes there? V5 thumb. I smell the blood of a market maker. Chat. It's time. You guys don't even know how time it is. Alright, you guys have never understood the laws of quantum mechanics like I do. Market mechanics, quantum money making. Any more buzzwords I can throw in there? $1 million, chat. That's all I have to say. $1 million. It's time to make it. I want it all, chat. I want literally every single penny, all right? You guys don't understand. You guys are not tapped in like me. All right. Drop a like on the stream. Let's make $1 quintillion. In 3, 2. Oh my God, where's my camera gone? I was trying to aura farm right there. 1. Let's go, man. Chat. We are back. What's poppin', everybody? Blizzy, Andre, Renta Rocks, Victory Settings, Will, Tony, Bill, Dylan. Who's here, man? Chat, come say hi. What's good, Mr. Rays? All the man. Blizzy, I'm good, thank you. How are you guys? How are you doing, chat? JJ, what's good? Chat. Have you guys ever heard of $10 million? Please tell me you have, because I know something about $10 million. What do I know about it? I'm getting it now. All right. I got the 1 hour breakout. Kind of did break out a little bit there. Yeah, chat, this is interesting, man. We're just ripping up. Tom caught the mega trade, I can't lie. Chat, if you guys joined the Asian session stream last night in the Discord, Tom caught the mega move. And if you didn't, why not? Are you not tapped in enough in the Discord to see the notification? Do you not have noties on? I was like 30 man in the Discord last night during Asian. We caught the monster move. Danny passed a funded, Dominus passed a funded, Mark passed one today. Chat, you need to be tapped in, man. This is what I keep saying. You're just not tapped in enough, man. The Discord's there for free. The streams are here for free. You're just literally getting just money. That's it. Hey, what's good, Anil? How's your weekend? Chilling, man. My girl had me doing chores. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Just a little... No, I'm joking. Never do that. But don't let your girl make you do chores instead of work, bro. Alright. Yeah, it's a bank holiday today, no? It's a US bank holiday, but I don't think that's going to mean anything, bro. The market's going... The market's literally bouncing on it crazy style, chat. The one night I decided to sleep early? Yeah, ridiculous. Ridiculous, bro. Who needs sleep? You know what we need, chat? We don't need sleep. You need money. You understand? Chat, but listen, drop a like on the stream. Let's get into the analysis. So, weekly time frame bullish. Mad. Daily time frame bullish. Wow. 4 hour bullish. 2 hour bullish. It's almost like every time frame is bullish, chat, to be honest. Hourly bullish. 30 minute. Oh my God, bullish. 15 minute. Oh my God, it's also bullish. Wait, 5 minute. Yeah. Bullish. Nah, actually, the 5 minutes kind of ranging. But nonetheless, chat, lots of opportunity here. Let's take a look at some 15-minute levels here, to be honest. We have a pretty strong one. Chat, there's a man in my room. Chat, there's a man. There's a man in my room. There's a shirtless man in my room. I think he's homeless. Chat, call 911, please. Chat, he's scaring me. Chat, he's just looking at me. Chat, what do I do? Chat, don't look, don't look. Shh, shh, shh. Shh, chat. Chat, I don't know what he's doing. Sorry, can you get out of my house, please? This is private property. Shut up. What an idiot. Right, yeah, 15-minute ranges, looking decent. I think realistically, you've got a range between 89 here and 97. Chat, who would have thought we'd be saying 4,097 or 4,100 for gold? That's ridiculous, honestly. Like, I remember trading gold at 1,800. We're literally like $2,200 an ounce higher than that right now, which is absolutely monumental. But yeah, realistically, the 15-minute is coming down here and the 30-minute without a top wick. To me, this looks like liquidity. I think on the hourly, you're going to need to see a retracement all the way down towards like 78 at some point before we make a mega move. These candles are absolutely ginormous, right? Even though they look small, this is a 140 pip candle. These candles are now massive on gold. So I reckon, chat, to be honest, you guys need to adjust your risk because it's getting crazy right now. If you trade fixed lots or fixed risk, what you were trading before is not going to work, right? Tom caught literally like 350 pips last night, which normally would be like the monster move. But to be honest, it happened relatively quick, no? So like, candles are just Gigantosaurus Rex, man. Gold is always buy and hold. Yeah, I know. Got a nice 1% for London Open this morning on my new account. Hey, good stuff, Gareth. Good stuff, man. Chat, we had 3 new students pass funded accounts last night and this morning, which is crazy, no? Absolutely insane. The results are just printing. I don't even need to market my results anymore. Like, I might just stop. I might actually just say the program's shit. Don't join it. The program's shit. Everyone gets funded and makes money.
We just start gatekeeping the strategy.
Just gatekeep it, yeah. All right, chat. But basically, what I want to see here is some liquidity being grabbed, then some bullish closures. Maybe then we can take a look at the buys, right? This is an interesting day, though, man. I honestly don't think the bank holiday is going to have that much of an impact on volume. I think the volume is going to be pretty much the same. Sells looking mint.
What?
On what pair? Please tell me not gold. Chat, you know the move as well. We've got the Strawberry Dreams, which means it's time to make some dreams come true. You know what we need to do? We need to take a Strawberry Dreams monster to the City of Dreams. And then it'll be dreams squared. And we'll just multiply our net worth by like 100 million.
Bazillion. Gold.
Bro sees uncertainty in the world on all-time high and thinks less short. Yeah, bro. Chaz, I can't lie. Gold shorts sounds ridiculous. Just you saw a little market structure shift on the 5 or what? Or you're being sarcastic. Either way. The new Bobby Axelrod buys on the what's good fluidity? Buys on the next hourly open. We'll see how it closes, man. Imagine we were just completely wrong and Chaz just top ticks the market right now and it just gold goes to 0. What would we do then? I reckon I'd have to apologize.
Yeah, you'd have to retire. Alright, that didn't happen. Who's the better trader now between you two? What a retarded question. Alright, Tom, can you bring me some water, please? Thank you. Battle of the Fiddlers is crazy work. Hey, Ruben, what's good? Chat, by the way, this week is going to be the last week that the TRS Academy is going to be discounted, right? It's not even discounted. It's just like a launch reduction in price, let's say. Absolutely crazy deal right now, I can't lie. Absolutely insane. Yeah, from next week onwards, like I said, we're going to be streaming in the private Discord for the TRS Academy. You also get the full course as well, which is kind of mad. So, yeah, if you do want to join that, then the link is right here. What's the TRS Academy? TRS Academy is my private group, right? So, basically, from next week onwards, we're going to be doing the streams in there every day, but we're going to make them a little bit different. So, instead of like a stream like this, where it's a bit more entertaining, it's going to be like, well, it'll still be entertaining, but it'll be locked in
Focused on helping people, trying to improve and everything. We had a call yesterday in the Discord, a stream for Asian, which was fucking sick, right? We caught a mega move. Last night's stream was sick. Yeah, there you go, Gareth. It was actually sick. People were like unmuting their mics. You can ask questions. So valuable. And you get full access to the course for $74 a month. Or you can buy a lifetime for like $600, which by the way is ridiculous. Can't put a price on community. Fumbling by charging. Cap. Community doesn't disappear, right? Think about it this way, right? If you caught last night's stream trade, you would have made like 500, which would have paid for a year's membership. If you would have caught last week's free stream trades on the YouTube, you would have made like, if you took the same risk on a funded account, you would have made at least 2K, which would have paid for like what, 4 years worth of membership. I'm literally ridiculously undercharging, bro. Like, I've been doing this all for free for 2 years. Nah, the value is way too high. I don't even need to sell it, right? Like, bro. Yeah, it does. And the last night's stream was just a pure example. Chat, if you were in that stream last night, you would have known exactly what I'm talking about right now. It's genuinely probably the best stream we've had all year. Do you not think that you will lose potential growth? I'm still streaming once a week on YouTube. Speak though, because I don't really use the signals. I pass accounts on my own. Just tune in for you guys in the community. Good value though, I agree. I mean, yeah, it's each to their own, right? I would say if you're doing 5 to 10K a month, like from trading payouts, then yeah, like you don't need it. But if you're not at that point, then, and even if you are at that point, I don't know. There's no such thing as like having completed it in trading, right? There's people who offer way less value, who charge 10x the price. This is what I've been saying, bro. It's never been about the money, right? But it's just, like, I make enough money from trading, and I probably won't make crazy money from this group, right? But the point is, I want to make like a tight-knit community inside that private group, rather than just having it open to the streams. You get people coming in trolling, or maybe it's not as serious, or people just stream snipe you in terms of like trades. Against stream sniped IRL, but like people just, what's it called, like copy trade?
Oh yeah,
signal
like
botting. There you go. Yeah. People just signal bot and they don't learn anything, right? I want to actually change people's lives, and that's what the group's done, and it's what it will continue to do, right? How much is it to watch the Discord streams? Well, bro, it's $74 a month, but it's not just for the Discord stream as well. Like I said, you get the free course, not the free course, you get the full 50-hour-long trading course within that as well, which is fucking crazy, to be honest. It's definitely way too much value. Less crowd and more focus on each individual. 100%, bro. 100%. And like I said, right, one trade is going to pay for like 6 months worth of signals.
And you guys will be able to turn your mics on and speak to us in the moment. Like we were with Raze last night. You know, Raze was having a conversation with me and Sam whilst we were in the position.
Yeah, Malinko, I'll get your account today, right? I spoke to my guy at Apex. He's been on holiday. There's a guy at Apex that sorts me out with the accounts. He's been on holiday. I'll get you the account, I promise you, today. If not, I'll try and get you I'll give you an Alpha Futures account. Which actually might be the move.
I'm just ripping down here.
Yeah, chat, we are ripping down here. By the way, 70 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Discord times, yeah, they'll be at the same time. By the way, chat, Tom's going to continue to do his London streams for free in the main Discord, right? When you let me know, I want to... Oh, yeah, I need to do that, actually. Bro, I've been so busy recently. I haven't had time to look at all the giveaway shit.
Yeah, that's a good point, to be fair. I'll be still streaming every single day for free in the Discord.
Yeah, chat, so minimum, if you're not in the free Discord, then make sure you jump in that, because, again, that's also crazy value. Hey, what's good, Saddam? How's it going, man? And chat, like I said, right, we'll, what's good, Dale? Actually, yeah, fuck it. And I can finally play copyrighted music. I'm 20 minutes late, you're good. Is Tom a funded trader? Yeah, bro's got 200k funded. He joined the one-on-one like 3 months ago, and now he's 200k funded. Pretty insane. Tom is gay? Agreed.
Brilliant.
Agreed. Truer words were never said.
Yeah, just forget my phone.
Oh, you're all over the place today, mate.
Yeah.
How about I'll give slops each month? I'm in the academy.
Slops.
You'll give slops. He doesn't even want slops for when he joins. He's just gonna give slops.
That's the service he's offering.
Oh, for entry. When was the masterclass again? Last Wednesday? Or the Wednesday before? Slops. Chat, you know like 5 people from the masterclass passed the funded account within a week of it happening? You know how ridiculous that shit is? Any fun plans for the week? Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stream, trade, gym, get home and work on videos and the community. Repeat.
Anything but trading.
That is all trading.
I know.
Nah, no fun plans really, Andre. What about you? How do payouts work on Apex? You get in profit, you get a payout. Now, you have to get to 2.6k profit, and then you can request a payout. Thoughts on, I don't know. Did that boy Jay say he'll give slops each month? I think he did, bro. I just reached 6% profit on my Val today. SG, no email though. Dale, you'll get the email at midnight, brother. Congratulations. That's another fucking student funded.
Mr. Dale, congratulations. We are lying down right now.
How big is this candle, bro? It's like 60 pips. Bloody hell. Bloody hell.
Bottle of water.
Bloody tiddlywinks. Spittle spattle. Yeah, man. Oh, we rejected as we say that. Look at that. Call me and you the market maker.
Look at that. Just screw it back up again. Actually, the best shot callers in the game.
I've got a new idea. You don't talk for the rest of the stream. Where's Eugene? Need to have a word. He's messed up my TikTok FYP.
Oh no. You don't even want a remotely similar algorithm to Eugene.
Yeah, Eugene's algorithm is absolutely diabolical. Where, gym, trade, and buy a new funded if I pass this week? Andre, good. That sounds like a good week. I can't lie. That's actually the meta week. Gym trade, gym trade, gym trade, gym trade. Realistically though, who is this gym guy? Because I hear about him a lot.
Yeah, we've been trying to meet up with him for years, but
That was the OG uni joke. Like, oh, do you want to go gym? It's like, either you get hit with him, my name's not Jim, or where's Jim's house? Ah, Mr. Mark, my newly funded trader.
we just passed.
So you're telling me so Mark won a giveaway, I give him the account and he passes it. You just got funded for free.
Zilch.
Holy guacamole.
I'm not happy with that.
Do you like my new trim? Hang on. I'm just trying to remote view your trim right now.
I'm opening up a portal right now. I think I'm starting to see something.
Yeah. I'm in Australia. Hang on. Yeah, hard. Hard.
Yeah, but if it's in the Discord, we're gonna look.
Let's go. Big thanks to Sam. Mark, you killed it, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats. Chat. Drop a little W Mark and W Dale in the chat for passing their funders today. Bit of positivity in here, eh? You can't hate that. Six bomber claw eggs. Chat, one person dropped a W. You joking? All right. You guys are jealous, man. You guys are not positive towards each other. All right, there you go.
You've got haters, you know.
You've got haters, you know.
Vile.
What are you saying? Vile things.
I'll
Like what? Yeah, no, I'm hating for real. Fire. Compound crafters. Hey, welcome to the stream, man. Yo, low-key, me and Tom have been getting like pretty addicted to the Minecraft YouTube videos recently.
Yeah,
Like, there's this guy and he tries to beat Minecraft from one block.
yeah,
It's actually mad addictive.
the problem is that they're usually like an hour.
An hour long. So after we get back from the gym and we eat, we just sit there for an hour and watch. Now that's actually cap. We do a lot of work, but like that one does get us sometimes. Love you guys. You too, Mark. Chat, let's drop a like on the stream, man. 90 people in here right now and 20 likes. I'm gonna start swinging in a second. Seriously swinging. Started to trade the TRS strategy this week onwards on a fresh account. We'll post certificates soon when I pass it. That's the mentality, bro. When I pass it, not if. When. Wensleydale, Gromit. You don't know about that. You know nothing about Wallace and Gromit. I told Bill to ask you what's the amount I have to make before I ask for a payout. 2,600, G. 2,600. You got that there. That's less than you needed to get to fund it, right? So just take it slow, steady. Is there a way I can tune into the community, not on stream? Don't want to lose involvement? Join the free Discord, G. And pull up to the YouTube streams. So 5% and something. What day is the YouTube stream's going to be? Probably a Monday. Gonna get my NAM funded. That'd be a fire YouTube video. It's only for the first payout. After that, bro, watch the... Oh shit, did I even make it? I would go read their FAQs on the site, bro. It's pretty complicated to explain. Anyone else keen for summer? My G, you're in Australia. You're the only one who's coming into summer right now. Everyone else is coming into winter. We've just had our summer. We've just had our summer, bro. It's just ended. It's getting colder here in Cyprus, man. It's like 25 degrees now every day.
Yeah, we're wearing joggers.
It's ridiculous. First 3 payouts on Apex have to be $500, right? So you get to 2,600. Divide it. Then you take a $500 payout. It gets you to 2,100. Get it back up to 2,600. Repeat, repeat, repeat. And then, yeah. Then you can request the whole lot. Chassis you upside down. Chat. 3 minutes to the hourly close. Alpha Futures with your discount is a no-brainer. Yeah, it's actually true, bro. Code TRLS, chat. If you do want to get an account at Alpha Futures or at Apex Trader Funding, Alpha Futures is a crazy deal, bro. Code TRLS. There's no activation fees as well. Oh, you know what I saw? Oh, I sent it to you. Did you see it? No, not this one.
Nice shirt, bro. Because I don't know, it's purple. And then everyone laughs. Steve's got a purple shirt. And then Steve like claps back. Yeah, man. Well, my truck, it's got a bigger engine than yours, bro. You're all poor. Yeah, nice.
You're all poor.
I had to send you one, but
Such a good reel.
it's on TikTok.
I was having breakfast.
Yeah, I can't play that one. I think bro just spammed.
Wait, what was this?
What have you sent me? I 100% can't show that on stream. That's definitely TOS. Chat, we are ripping down here. Chaz was right. We all faded Chaz.
Yeah.
Bro said the shorts are printing and we faded him, and now... Yeah, the takes are undoubtedly funny. Like, if you don't take what they say like seriously, it's just ridiculous. In fact, even if you do take it seriously, it's just quite funny. Oh my God. I just saw a TikTok saying, chase the bag like you chased the girl that didn't want you. Cold!
Yeah, nice shirt, bro. Because I don't know, it's purple. And then everyone laughs. Steve's got a purple shirt. And then Steve like claps back. Yeah, man. Well, my truck, it's got a bigger engine than yours, bro. You're all poor. Yeah, nice shirt, bro. Because I don't know.
It's actually unbeaten. Just the way he like nonchalantly sends in the "you're all poor." I don't know. You're all poor. Chat, 1 minute to the close here. We are going to close bearish, chat, on this hourly, which makes it very interesting. What is going to happen? Oh, I need a trim so bad. Chat, anyone get any positions today, huh? If so, what did you catch? Oh.
You know how we were talking about the other day, if you had a position on gold and you know you just left you just left it forever. I could have had that last night now that I think about it. Do you think we ever go below 30 ever again?
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I think it could be a while.
Did you see the Tate's clip of them talking about Japan nuclear? Yeah, I have seen that, bro. It's so funny. Would you like a reliable SUV? No position. We'll definitely be back tomorrow. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see, man.
Yeah, it's a bank holiday, isn't it, for America?
But it's not like there's no volume, bro. There's a lot of
Yeah,
volume.
there is a decent. What's NQ saying?
Unk. Literally niche. Call good short on NQ earlier. Nice, and all good stuff.
That's not a good meme.
Would you like a reliable phone? That is good. I'll give you that one. 1 point to Blizzy. Oh, chat. Why is there only 20 likes on the stream when we've got 85 people in here, huh? I'm going to actually start swinging for the fences in a second. Good.
Very good.
I didn't send in my dislike bots yet. I mean, like bots? Bro, no way. Tom looks like he did not sleep.
Yeah, I probably only slept for like 4 hours. So you would not be wrong there, my friend.
Cap.
I went to bed at like 5.
What?
Well, I mean,
We went to bed at 3.
no, we went into.
I was asleep at 3.
You went into your room at 4.
No, I went into my room at 3 and then I fell asleep. I was just literally immediately. Me.
So I did about an hour of.
The clankers are coming, not the clankers. SG, can I go past 2600? Yeah, 100%. 100% Dale. It's just like the buffer stops at 2600. Tom was asking me for naughty picks last night.
You've been exposed. Not off you though, Jay.
He was asking you for naughty picks of someone else.
Yeah.
Move. Punch Tom, dare ya?
Yeah.
I might just do the... Start spinning on my chair and shit. Imagine I just knocked your head off. Like on stream, they just see it rolling down to the table.
You couldn't, mate.
I would. It would literally come clean off. If the 30-minute onion forms, is it clean to take it? I don't know what that is, mate.
A 30-minute what? Onion?
Scott. Chat, let's see, man. Realistically, I think we need to close back above here now for a position. We need to close back above here. Bro busted out the why I oughta punch you in the mouth. Can we all go boxing ring when I'm over?
Why don't we just do Royal Rumble?
Why is bro talking about rings?
The money's gone.
Yeah, I'll knock you both out. Low key. Jay's like 5'6", probably like 55 kilograms. You're about 5'10", and like
6'4".
you're about 5'10", 60 kilograms.
Right.
As we know, I'm 6'5", 120 kilograms.
Oh, okay. So we're just lying now.
No. I would literally, you know what I'd do actually? If we had like a Royal Rumble, right? I'd get Jay by the scruff of his neck, like this bit here. I'd just pick him up and go like, and then you'd be going, and I'd just flick him away. Then I get you, and I grab you by your shirt, and I just spin you around like this on my little finger, and then just send you. And you know, like in Pokemon when they go into the stars, and it just goes bing. That's what would happen. And you'd both just vanish off the face of the earth.
Yeah, very good.
Serious.
Very good.
I'm dead serious. Chat, the hourly closed bearish. No real bottom wick though. This is not nice.
Just like that, me and Jay just formed an alliance.
SG being too delusional there. No way. I'm looking for the reverse ICT FVG to the liquidity sweep and going to the fake out, breakout, inverse FVG, onion, butterfly pattern, ABCD forming. Simple strat, to be honest. Yeah, good.
Forgot a few confluences there, mate.
Yeah, I reckon you need a few more confluences. You forgot their SMT divergence, ICT's left ball sack, all of it. I thought it was pretty good reading all that out at once, but bro, it was basically gibberish. Nah, Tom, I hate you. Mad, you've tried to push for the alliance there.
No, because you know what I did?
We had have you seen that video? We had an
I
alliance.
just stick my hand out of his head. He'd be running into it like this, like trying to get towards me, and I'd just be holding him out, palming up.
Please say you've seen that video that we had an alliance thing where they're like playing a board game. It's like one of the funniest videos I've ever seen on the internet.
What, of the tapes?
No. Oh, the Tate's board game one is good.
Destroy you at a
The
game of
only way to settle this is to destroy you at a game of Munchkin. Blizzy forgot to add some EMA RSI. Yeah, is it a clean trade for the 30 minutes? Bro's talking about vegetables. Maybe. My confluences are Wizard Fireball. Look at the DXY inverse, Silver, Platinum, and Gold to USD for the strength index pairing maxing.
I am a big fan of the Wizard. You know me and the Wizard and Chancellor Magnet, and I think that's an underrated strategy.
We need to get the sniffer.
Just don't click the emojis.
No, we need to get the sniffler. What is it?
The sniffer? I don't know. I was quite surprised when I saw that. Inside the truck.
The Wizard inside the truck with the magnet is an insane strat. I don't know, we can test it out. I think the UFO beaming it up is pretty good though.
But what if it gets frightened of the aliens?
No, they're beaming him up. And the Wizard's down below.
Well, he's enchanting the magnets.
Right, making it stronger.
Yeah, he's giving it efficiency 5.
Right, and then what? Realistically, you can't not have the hammer.
Well, you need the T-Rex because it gets
Oh,
frightened.
I've got it.
The gay Wizard.
If it goes down there, it's gay. If price action goes down right now, it's gay. So you just tell price, yo, push up if you're not gay, and then it will do it. And that might be it. You know what we forgot? Down here, we'll put bath time. No one likes bath time.
Be in bedtime.
So it's like a little kid. It's gonna run away from bath time. Gay LGB wizard bath time. That's the meta. If you think about it, put the wizard in a car and it's going fast.
You shouldn't be leaking this.
How's bro like putting these emojis inside other emojis?
He's just creating a story.
Yeah, bro, you're too creative. How can I get it inside a whip? No, it doesn't work.
You can right click and send to back.
This is the gate-kept TRS strat? Yeah, 1000%. No.
Send to the back.
Yeah, there we go. All right, this is easy money now. Genuinely free cash at this point. So everyone full put longs right now.
Ooh, Jay's fading us. Sales are too good right now.
This is the strat. You guys thought I made money off chat. You guys thought that all of my students were passing within a week because I taught them some technical analysis strategy.
It's emoji analysis.
It's the wizard car LGBTQ bathtub strategy that's really been printing me money recently. Hard to explain, this stream is for educational purposes. Next to me with this on. That is true. Mark is about to crash. No, it wants to run away from it. See, it started pushing up the moment we put it on there. In fact, Yeah. There you go. Now it also looks a bit like a fib. It's the LGBTQ Fibonacci. Are we going to get past the green resistance here? Because once you get past green, you close into yellow. And then it's an easy range fill from yellow to orange.
But orange is where it becomes overextended.
No, red's like super overextended.
That's when price gets angry.
Yeah. What a job we have.
Just get a job.
Just put the course in the bag, bro. Let me full port on it in a paper account to ease my itch. Yeah, let's do that actually.
What's your setup?
Oh, chat, I forgot to tell you guys earlier. I'm also up 100k. Somehow my account balance is 100k, but I'm also up 100k. I started from literally $0. I've done 1,000,000 trillion X. That would still be zero, but still. This is a strategy that's done it all for me, chat. But you know what? Let's think about this. Why don't we just do... Oh, we're on micros. That's going to be interesting. Not enough margin. I'm on a paper trade account. There you go. Oh, shit. We're down 2 mil. I know, it's 3k. Okay. Chat, this could be good. Yeah. I feel like we should probably delete this off the stream.
Yeah. I was thinking that. You know, like a newcomer comes along and they just, I'd really like to learn about some gold futures analysis right now, and they see that nonsense.
Funny, someone said to short the 1 minute Sky Dollar an hour ago. Chaz, if only. If only. In before someone comes in and goes, "You're clearly paper trading. This is not real. This guy's a scammer. He's paper trading. I can see it at the bottom left. He's paper trading."
10 bandos. Go take that.
You think I'm not going for the 90 bandos at the top?
Mate, that's your, you've hit your daily win target.
View's gone up since? That's what I'm saying. Chat, we're literally up 1,000,000 bandos right now. You know what? Do I have some more margin left? No.
Full margin.
I'm going in. Full margin. Oh. Can I change my leverage?
Need a bigger account, I think.
Settings. Oh.
Futures is grayed out.
What the fuck is going on in here? I don't know. Chat, drop a like on the stream, man. We're just waiting for price to form something nicely. Once it forms, we'll be taking some actual positions, right? I mean, this is just on my side account that I just like to mess around with, right? Real money, obviously, but like I just like to mess around. Hello, sir. India, and you in trade right now? I watch you are on screen trade. Chat, honestly, I was messaging my cleaner this morning. She was just like, just unbelievable. Unbelievable. The call wasn't connected because she had a number, like, I don't know what she was doing. And I was like, oh, it won't let me call you because it says, like, user busy. All right. And she was like, no, you can call me. And I was like, no, it won't let me call you. It goes straight to voicemail. Yes, call me. No, it doesn't work. Okay, afternoon, call me.
Terrible comms.
It's like, my phone won't call you. And then she said, I cannot call you.
Yeah, not the best comms.
The best one was this morning's message. Oh, last night's message to her, right? I said, can you come and clean the house Tuesday? What did she say? Where is she? Am I stupid? Why do I not see it here? Oh, yeah. Can you come and clean the house Tuesday? Hi, how are you? Yes, then me before, thanks. Sounds good, actually. Because I was worried about, like, whether or not she'd come and clean it. But now she's really put me at ease with the yes, then, before, thanks. Are you guys in a demo trade? No, this is 100% real, Gene. 100% real money. Bro calls his girlfriend cleaner. Mad. Mad. Bro, honestly, just hire a Mexican. I feel like the Americans think there's just Mexicans everywhere, but it's actually just... I don't think I've ever met a Mexican.
No, not really. I've never really seen one in Europe.
To whom it might concern, this is paper trading. Take note. Yeah, actually, let me take this off the screen because this is pretty retarded. We were just having a little bit of funskis chat. I just lost 17 bandos, real money. I'm joking. But yeah, this is doing nothing here, to be honest. 15's flipping right now. We could push down. Mexicans are everywhere. How you guys build everything if you didn't? Little known fact, the Europeans built the entire world. Without the Europeans, no one would have any civilization or literature or anything like that. So...
I feel like that's just such an American thing.
just get a Mexican to do everything.
Yeah, like it just...
Is it normal that I don't have the funded trader email yet? Yeah, you'll get it at midnight. Lies? Ha. I was saying this to Tom yesterday, right? The debate that ends the America-England debate, right, is my friend Gabriel, you guys saw from the Castle video. You remember the Castle podcast? Right, his house is from the 1500s, which means his house that he lives in is 300 years older than America.
Yeah,
For me, that's just like, all right. Any Americans that are like, yeah, we built the world, man. It's just like, nah. My mate's house is older than your country, mate.
there's
Shush.
a reason you guys speak English and not
Yeah.
American.
And it's still shit? Cap. You tell me that house is shit.
It's actually a castle.
It's literally, bro. Nah, he's rage baiting. I'm not falling for this. Not falling for this shit. Mexican. It's literally in the name. Smart.
Can't read that one out, mate.
Gene's just said something in chat. Do you want to read it?
My God, I've not got my contacts. I can only just about do.
I'll leave that to you.
No, I've got the first 5 words.
No, there's
It's
a
just-
word.
Can you?
No, I'll do it. I'll start it off for you. And there's a reason you go from there.
There's just something.
No,
in the,
you go from there.
There's something in the middle. I can't quite figure out what it says. One of the brokest castles, he says. That's like being, oh yeah, my Ferrari, my cheap Ferrari. Right, that's it. I'm loading up a position on this account, and he's already back.
Who said it was a broke castle? Hacky, one of the brokest castles I've seen. No funny hat guards, lame. Crazy work. I'm pretty sure low-key that house got appraised at like £200 million value. Which is like $300 million. No, not really. W Ashby? Yeah, W.
Not trying.
We're getting mega cucked by EU. Yeah, we actually are.
Yeah, it's
Nah, they are actually trying to destroy Europeans though. Like, I genuinely think that... I don't know. Does he have a Princess Tower?
Oh, little Clash Royale joke. I like that.
He's got a goblin though.
You can tell this guy doesn't play. He's not tapped in.
Goblin knobs. Does he have a princess in the tower? The small hats? Yeah, Blizzy knows what I'm on about. It's like mission destroy the Goyim.
You kind of look like the giant
Thank you, mate.
on Clash Royale.
Yeah, I'm pretty big.
No, yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty big.
You just want to pull a picture of him up on.
Nah, you just said I look like a giant. Thank you so much.
You specifically.
No, I look like a giant. Thank you. I mean, I have been working out. I know we've been training quite hard, so I appreciate it.
You've got like a similar hair.
No, thank you actually.
Similar hair.
Thank you for calling me a giant. I know it's not easy being the small one out of the group, but like
Can you read that bottom comment for me, please?
What does he have a castle for if he doesn't have any of the cool things? He doesn't have cool things.
Yeah. To be fair, if it doesn't have a drawbridge, I'm not interested.
He does.
It does. Has it got a moat?
No moat.
You need a moat.
Well, I think it does have a moat, but there's no water in it. It's not really a moat then, is it?
Yeah, it's not really. It's not keeping anyone out.
Tom looks like a giant as well. Yeah, a giant nerd.
I don't want to look like the giant. Just a big ditch around his guardless house. Oh, mate. Let's get the giant up.
Real sticky hot. All my days were ripping up.
There is hella similarities.
Oh, yeah, just go on the Clash Royale fandom. You're definitely not a nerd. You're definitely not the biggest in the world.
Guys, does this look like Sam, yes or no?
This guy.
Loki, if you start balding, that might be you.
Bro is literally like 7 foot tall and like probably 400 kilograms. I'll take it. You're basically just calling me jacked. Now I'll go mad if you keep disrespecting my little pumpkin pie.
Alright, it's not a race. I'm not sure if I'm feeling them shorts now.
Oosh! Oh my god. Chat, I told you we'd be ripping up. They can't see the charts, but what did I say? This is starting to look good. Comex Open just gave us volume. How weird, huh? It's almost like I said yesterday that the institutions are still going to trade. Because why would they not trade on this day? That's like, oh yeah, the biggest money-making opportunity ever. Let me just actually fade that.
Let me go on holiday.
Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. 4 hour flipped. 30-minute closes in 8 minutes. The 15 looks good, chat. We might get a position here, man. Do you guys say, please leave? We don't. Wait, how do you guys defend yourself in case of a break-in? Do you guys say, please leave? We don't have a gun? No, I actually, I actually made enough money to move to a country where people don't break into your house. That's the strat. And to be honest, in the UK, it doesn't really happen anyway. And you know what's kind of crazy? The people who are breaking into your house also don't have guns.
Yeah.
So you don't need a gun to defend against them, right? It's kind of interesting. If there's just no guns in the country, right? And then you make them really difficult to get, even for criminals, what happens is no one has them. So no one gets shot.
Who would have thought?
No, it's weird, isn't it?
Crazy.
Imagine, it's weird that that's just a foreign concept for Americans. Like, oh, we've got so many shootings. How do we stop people from shooting each other? More guns. Give me more guns now, and then everyone's gonna stop shooting each other.
I honestly think it will eventually just become a Call of Duty lobby.
I want to know when someone's gonna drop a nuke in America.
Yeah, I wonder if they start giving kill streaks to people. You know, you can now buy like a Hellstorm strike or something.
Yeah, to be fair, at the local Target, you can just go buy a UAV. Oh, chat, there's so much volume here. Previous 5-minute no top wick. We should actually lock it in here. You got 8 minutes till a 30 close. I reckon if this 30 closes above here, chat, it's good to go. I think the concept is difficult because the prime reason for them is to defend against tyranny, but Americans are some of the biggest bitches nowadays, and that they bend over and spread for Big Daddy Gov. Crazy. I'm locked in, help. I don't know what that means. Oh, I said we need to lock in.
He's not allowed to leave.
Smart. 6 minutes, chat. To be fair though, I can't lie. Like, Renter, you've got a strap, no? How sick would it be if we could just walk around with it and like you just got one tucked? But then also you got to be scared. Like the thing I think about in the like in America is if you get in like a minor altercation in the street, like you jump in front of someone in the queue, or
they could just shoot.
They could just whap you down. It's like, oh, sorry, mate. Are you in the queue here? And that's just an average day in America. It's just mad. It's mad to me. Oh, sorry, my friend. I think you've dropped your wallet. Just ridiculous. In the Apex website, it doesn't say I have to make... It will do, bro. You have to get to the buffer zone. Manchester synagogue attack. Yeah, bro, I'm not saying the UK is crimeless. I love walking around with my strap. Feels great. I'm not allowed, but I do it because I like staying safe. Wait, why are you not allowed to... walk around with it. I thought that was the whole point of America.
Yeah, I think it depends what state you're in. In California, you can just walk around with a gun, can't you?
No, wait, where's the new place? Is it California where they just unlocked open carry? So there's literally people walking into Target with like a fucking AR strapped around their chest.
Florida, yeah.
Bro, that is crazy.
What?
Or you could just be like walking through Target, or let's turn it to the UK equivalent of Tesco's. SGF Beg, can you start saying allegedly? I don't think I said anything. I just said you could be walking around America and get shot. Nah, it's crazy, bro. That is such an insane concept to anyone outside of America. Like, oh, I'm just walking through the shops. I've just got my fucking...
I feel like it'd be scary, low-key. If I walk past a guy with like a big gun, I'd be like, whoa.
We don't have mass shootings, you have mass stabbings? When was there a mass stabbing? You can't really mass stab people.
You can maybe get like 2 or 3.
Yeah, you'll get 2 or 3 off, maybe. And they happen, like, relatively, I don't know, relatively rarely in comparison. Isn't there a mass shooting in America every day? I'm pretty sure that for a while there's one every day.
Yeah, but that's just recency bias.
Guns are useless if you have no mats. That's actually true, bro. How are you going to build up? Chaz is right. Like, if I'm boxed up, you can't even get me. Like, if you walk into... That's actually true, you know. When there's like a school shooting, why don't they just box up?
That's what they've started doing. They've put like these big metal sliding doors in.
I'll get the little pen and paper out. It's like, I'm going to start doing mad edits. Increasing your impression of a gun? I thought it was pretty good. Bro's rattling off dates.
Yeah, I don't really understand the logic. Because you could just pull up every American day. It's more about the volume at which it happens.
Chat, we got 3 minutes to the close here.
It's just how ChatGPT is, isn't it?
Yeah, Gene, we could pull up dates as well, bro. Like, I guarantee, bro. I guarantee there's. Right. Let's just pull this one up. This is going to be an interesting one. Oh. Mass shootings by country, America, and then every other one. It's almost like the one with the most guns has the most shootings. Anyway, chat. I think we can get an entry here. If this 30 closes with a top wick. Oh, you're a goat, Dylan. You're a goat. Stops are going to be absolutely monumental, though, no?
Yeah.
We actually need to lock it in here. So, chat, the 30 minute is now closing above, right? You're closing above all-time highs, pretty much. Realistically, if you can make a bottom wick now, come down and test back into 40.99, I believe. After a closure above here. All right, so we can do like 15 cons. Yeah, nice.
No way. Nearly there, mate.
What?
From my original.
It's not nearly there, is it? That's still...
Mate, it's gonna get there, definitely.
Let's see, chat. Should I buy another Reval and trade both? That's your choice, brother. Yeah, if you think that's going to help your psychology, then it's definitely not a bad idea. Chat, this could be good here. You got 1 minute. Lock it in. Lock it in.
What's 1%?
Let's do that. Okay, cool. So basically what I'm looking for here, chat, is a bottom wick first. If we can get a bottom wick. Good. No way, bro.
Ninja trader.
Look at this. It's going to close no top wick. Needs to close with a top wick, chat. It needs to.
Ninja. What was that? Getting like Greek Reddit.
Yeah, I know. I get that now.
Castle. Those was the top work, to be fair.
You need a bottom wick here, chat. And it broke the high. Good. Very good. Oh, chat, that could have been so clean, man. SG, you can't copy trade in a Val and PA? I think you can, bro. This is mad. Surely surely it wants to sweep liquidity from here to 40.79 level first. Bro, but that's such a big sweep, man.
Well,
That's like how many? That's like 300 points it needs to come down. Which would be ridiculous, no? I mean, this could potentially rip here. But I would really want it to come down first and grab a lot of liquidity. But the point is now, chat, the good thing and the most important thing is there's a lot of volume here. Like, a lot of volume. So what that means is he's talking about spot gold 40.79. Oh, that makes a lot more sense, bro. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, then maybe. Thank you, Riley. Yeah, Ryan, sorry. That actually makes a lot more sense. Yeah, chat, realistically, the good thing is to think about here, we're making actually decent setups here, decent moves, there's volume in the charts, which means there's a lot of potential for position. So if we can just wait patiently for one to form, maybe in the next like 15 minutes, maybe the next 30 minutes, who knows? We should be able to get something here. But chat, there's 150 people in the stream right now and only 40 likes, man. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. It really does help out a lot. Hopefully, also chat, by the way, the main thing I'm thinking about right now is, I think this was potentially valid to enter after it broke the bottom and flipped on the current 30-minute candle, right? But the problem is, if you want to take an entry here, you're essentially catching the high being made. So most likely you're going to have to get some drawdown first that you have to sit through before you get the move upwards. If we can wait, maybe get like an hourly closure, then a bottom wick, that's going to be the low. If we can catch that low then, you're essentially then giving yourself, first of all, a way better entry. Second of all, sit through less drawdown. Third, you can have tighter stops as well, which means you can have a little bit more aggressive order size, right? Hey, what's good, Green? How's it going, brother? Imagine the volume tomorrow. Yeah, I know, bro. Well, imagine Trump just wakes up and goes, oh, you know what? You know, it'd be really nice right now.
Another tweet.
Let me just get on Twitter.
One more tweet.
Just one more tweet, please, mom. Imagine, bro, to be honest, you can't even blame the guy. If I had the power to move the market with one tweet, I'd literally be ringing all of you guys up and being like, yo, TRS, jump in buys right now, yeah, watch this. And I'd wait till you're all in buys, and then I'd just put a tweet out like, wouldn't gold be a good investment right now? And then everyone would spam gold buys. Everyone would be up like 10 gazillion, and then we close out. Low key, especially with like the order size we have here, you could like, it would genuinely be impossible to lose money.
Yeah, it would.
It would be like the freest money that's ever existed.
Well, that's why it's good to
You just deposit 100 quid into a brokerage account.
be his friend right now to just.
You could just deposit like $1,000 and you could flip that immediately to like $8 billion. 101 how to make a mil? Insider trading or what? Someone delete the account of Trump? That's never gonna happen, G. Do you remember his account did get deleted though the moment Biden came into office now? Or was it before that?
I'm not sure. I know he got it back when Elon bought Twitter.
I always said the US government should do options and crash the market. Bro, I genuinely think, I've been saying in the chat, I made a tweet, in fact, If you guys don't follow my Twitter, by the way, if you guys don't follow my Twitter, make sure you do, because I made a tweet yesterday exactly about this. I genuinely think there's an engineered plan to crash the stock market, and to crash every market within the next couple of months. That's why I'm not buying this dip right now, because I honestly believe they have a plan to just absolutely shaft the market. All right? Crypto will inevitably be used to remove wealth from the only ones who are smart enough to temporarily escape the system. Because chat, think about it. Imagine, like, read this tweet. Or actually, just go look at my Twitter, man. It's actually so valuable. I think BTC was made by the CIA and they're doing a rug pull. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm saying. I genuinely think that they're doing the exact same thing. Not the CIA, though. It would be the NSA, surely. Is it? I think it's the NSA. I genuinely think that crypto was engineered. CIA ranks higher. Yeah, but the NSA is the one that does like all of the programming shit. I'm pretty sure even the CIA like contracts out some of their programming and like cybersecurity shit to the NSA. And there was some shit about the there was something about like the IP address of the NSA. I don't know. I can't remember what I read, but oh yeah, the NSA invented the algorithm that basically Bitcoin runs off of. This shit, right? The SHA-256 thing. The NSA invented it in like the 90s. I've been saying this for ages, man. I think it was all to wash money and they thought other countries would join in. I don't know, man. Chat, rejection here. Holy, I told you guys we needed liquidity, eh? So if you FOMO'd in here, you would have got cooked. Like, absolutely cooked. That's why I told you not to FOMO in. Chat, let's get to 70 likes on the stream right now, man. I'm literally giving you guys free value. By the way, like I said last week, chat, this is the final week of YouTube streams for free, right? If you want to get access to the streams from now on, you can join the TRS Academy, which is ridiculously valuable, bro. Like, you get my full course and daily Discord streams in there. It's the last week is going to be at a discounted price. I could have easily FOMO'd in. Yeah, trust me. Be able to kill off the US dollar and completely just jump off the dollar standard. Completely delete our debt. Now, that's what I think, bro. I think they'll figure out a way to wipe out the entire debt and then just basically tell every other country to fuck off. Is Tom moving subs forever? You don't have to ask him that. Are you closing the YouTube to the public? Yeah, the stream, not the YouTube, but the streams in here are going to be maybe once a week. Oh yeah, once a week, I would say. And then I'm going to be doing the daily streams in the Discord because I've been doing them for 2 years in here now. It's way too much value. If you caught last week's trades, you would have made like 5 fucking K for free. Elaborate more on why we need more liquidity here. Bro's clip farming. Elaborate more on why we need more liquidity here. Realistically, you need more liquidity because you have an extended move right now on gold, right? We've literally pushed up in the last day. Well, obviously in the last morning, basically, since the session opened, we've pushed up 1,000 fucking pips, right? Which is insane. Now, with that being said, you're making moves to the upside. There's a lot of volume, but you're struggling to make the extended push, right? So, realistically, there's no reason for us to not grab the orders here. And once you grab the orders, that's where the push is going to be, right? Because the market can't move until it fills orders. It's made the push up. For example, the last hourly, or sorry, not even the hourly, the last 30 minute pushed up like 120 pips. There's no reason for it to drive unless you come and grab orders. It's like a bow and arrow, right? The more you pull back, the further you actually fly offwards. Give it until end of November for stream volume and exposure. Nah, bro. We've already like basically decided this. But yeah, I mean, look, the YouTube streams will still be once a week. We have a lot of exposure anyway. Realistically, 140 people in here. Like, bro, the value I'm giving out, it would be stupid for me to continue to do that for free. Not that I don't want to, but like, bro, you know how much time and energy these streams take. It's honestly insane. I don't think you guys understand. Like 2-3 hours of like talking, explaining, staying high energy. I love doing it, but I can't lie. I'd rather be locked in with a few less people and just actually help them to become profitable. Chat, we did one stream yesterday in the Discord, right? And 2 people passed the funded account, and then someone else passed one this morning off of that stream trade. So like realistically, bro, it's a no-brainer. If you can't see the value in this, then you'll never see the value in anything, right? And then you'll never make progress. Hey, what's good, Jordy? How's it going, my bro? Like Tom was saying this yesterday, right? Like, fucking, just, have you ever seen an offer with this value, with this much value?
No. Get them to name one streamer that does it. Name one content creator. They won't be able to do it.
Yesterday, question mark, market was open for your Discord. Bro's never heard of Asian session, huh? You know the market opens at night, right? You know when it opens at night, which is at night our time, and then morning for the Asian session. That's when you can trade the market. And we obviously understood, if you were a smart trader last night, you would have understood all the news that was going on over the weekend. It would have been pretty easy to predict what was going to happen. Tom ended up catching 330 point longs on the stream. It was pretty fucking easy. Like, we actually killed it. It was a great stream. Chat, if you were there, you would have known, right? 2 weeks till I'm free? Fire, bro. I get you. I totally agree. How much is the Discord? It's $74 a month, bro. It's going to be going up after the end of this week, though. But you also get the course as well. It's not just the Discord. So it's actually crazy value. Bearing in mind, until very recently, I sold just the course for like $500. Like, it's ridiculous. Again, like, I'm very clearly not doing this for the money, right? I could care less about 74 bucks a month. But the point is to help people get more profitable, to make it more exclusive. And I actually want to dedicate my time to people who actually, you know, are going to put in the work. I'm upset because I got in on gold at 6 p.m. to hold, and the market makers shook me out of the trade with all the bearish candles, but it never hit my stop loss. I need to set my target and walk away. Yeah, bro. Sorry, not bro. Yeah, okay. To be honest, you need to collect data on your strategy. If your strategy is telling you after data collection that you actually need to walk away from trades, then you can do that. And if you've got data behind that, it's going to be way easier for you to make that decision. Your Discord's free. We have a free Discord. Streams aren't going to be... Well, Tom streams for free in the London Discord, or in the free Discord for London session, sorry. So if you want to join that, you can, because Tom streams every morning in there. It's just discord.gg/TRLS. But, yeah, realistically, the daily streams are in the private Discord. It's called TRS Academy, right? But, bro, Tom's right. Tom just said, name me another streamer who's given this much value that I'm about to give in this program for the price it is. You can't. You genuinely can't. When I receive my Apex account, should I trade on it? No, wait, bro, wait. Just give it a few days, bro. Let the emotions calm down. How many are in the private? Oh, I don't know, bro. I think it's probably like 30. But obviously, you got to remember, not everyone's going to join the stream. And we opened it like, I don't know, how long? 2-3 days ago. What's the price of your private Discord? $74 a month, man. Or you can get like yearly membership. Might be time to go choke the chicken. Hey, what's good, calm? We riding to the highs, full port? Full port. 5-minute fake out? Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. So much volume right now, chat. This is crazy. So much volume. But chat, yeah, like I said, by the end of the week, it's the price is going to go up, because realistically, the only reason I'm giving it to you guys... Can you show us what's in the private? Yeah, man. So you get the private Discord, which is this section here, TRS Academy. You get my trades. You get like a chat. This daily live streams will be in here. And then also you get the entire WAP course, right? Which is kind of crazy. I don't know why I'm giving it this cheap, to be honest, but there you go. Let me show you this course. It's like 50 hours of course content on my entire strategy, on everything you need to know. Where can I view this? Hello. What's going on, man? Oh, here you go. I got it. My bad. You took a W today, bro? Nah. We didn't take anything today. If this will load. Basically, within the TRS curriculum, there's like 50 hours of course content. You also get access to the recorded one-on-one calls. So I have one-on-one calls with my students that are in the one-on-one mentorship, and I upload the recordings from that into this course, which is pretty crazy. It's not going to load right now, which is good. All right, Bill, in a bit, man. Have I missed more moves? No, not really. It's been moving quite aggressively, but there's been no setups just yet. But I do think we'll print something soon here, chat. You got an hourly close in 14 minutes. Yeah, look, here it is. So you get all this fucking course content. Like all of this. So inside the curriculum, you get literally, what is it, like 10 modules from basics all the way up to like the advanced concepts, the shotgun method, how to pass accounts, plus the weekly seminars. It's insane. It's insane. For the value like and the price it is, you will literally not find anything else like this at all. So much liquidity. From which direction though, Calm? Are we going to see the rip back down? That's the question. Because, bro, to be honest, we haven't really grabbed much liquidity from below, in my opinion. You've just been sort of consolidating. And everyone's looking at buys right now. Both 4 hours? Are you looking at a different 4 hour to me? Flip red to push up? Yeah. I mean, we'll see, chat. We'll see. I don't like this 1 hour, though. I don't like this wick. It broke the highs and rejected very strongly here. But then the 15, the 5, the 30 all look good. You're only looking for longs this week? Yes, bro. I can't short an all-time high. Even if a perfect short setup prints up. Chat, I don't remember the last time I took a short on gold.
It's been a while, hasn't it?
It's got to be like 5 months.
I was saying this earlier. I don't think I've taken a sell on gold.
Ever? Genuinely, I don't think I have in the last 5 months taken a sell. Because why would I have, right? We've just been ripping up the entire time. Yeah, it's been a while since I've taken sells.
I've taken shorts on MQ, but not on gold.
Yeah, shorts on NQ, yeah. Even scalp sells? I guess if you count when we're like super scalping evaluations, then yeah, right? Maybe not even though.
Yeah, honestly, I don't think so.
I don't even think news printed that many shorts either. I swear they're all long. But everything's just been bullish on gold, right? Everything's been bullish on gold. Chat, what about you guys? Have you been selling gold like at these prices? Have you been trying to catch top ticks? Nah, realistically though, have you guys like been taking sells? For me, my brain won't let me do it. For me, it seems so counterintuitive, right? I literally sit there and I'm thinking, right, gold's just been ripping up for the past X amount of years. I have taken sells on gold before, don't get me wrong, because we used to trade like, well, gold used to be quite rangy. I remember trading gold at like the 1800s. I probably had a gold buy on stream. No, maybe not on stream actually. Well, yeah, we definitely had gold buys on stream around like 2100.
Yeah.
Like,
I was thinking.
you just hold that for infinity.
That's what I was sort of thinking. That's kind of what I wanted to do with yesterday, but I just.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have made a difference because you're on a...
I know,
But like, I had live account buys on like 2100. So if you think, all right, I was literally...
I do think if you catch a good pullback, you could just never close it.
Yeah, honestly, like some of those gold buys that we got, I guarantee if you go back, there's a Sky Dweller at like 2100 and you'd be up, what, 20,000 pips?
Like if it gets enough points away, you're never going to get taken out again. Because gold always pushes up.
Yeah, so what would you do with that?
You just never close it.
I think the broker would eventually close you out. Problem is as well, you have to pay swaps.
Oh, it shuts you at the weekend anyway.
No, not on a future Forex live account.
Oh, sorry, I'm talking about futures.
You can hold, yeah, on futures it would close you, no, at night anyway.
Yeah, 11 PM, wasn't it? Oh, it sucks.
Made 3k top ticking, I might have to lock out before I get cooked. Calm, 3k is not bad in a day, my bro. Something light. Just something light, man.
Mr. Scalp.
Mr. Scalper. No, you get paid swaps because you're buying. You only pay when you're shorting. No, I'm pretty sure you pay swaps on gold buys, not sells. Or am I wrong? It says swap long minus $59 on my broker just here. But is that like minus 59 for the swaps in general? So you get paid 59? Maybe that's what it is. You might be right, Jake. Get a swap free account? Yeah, you can do that. All right. We've got the Billy Know-It-Alls in the chat, man. I'm joking. Oh, chat, if we can come back and close above this level here, we should be good for some positions. Can we see a nice little bullish close here? That'd be actually... We're not going to see it on a 30, but a bullish 15 close or a bullish hourly above the level could be really nice, chat. So there's a lot of potential here, man. Let's just stay patient, stay locked in. See what we can grab. Grab up. I don't even know what sells are anymore. Dylan, trust me. No clue, eh? I just know because I know someone holding buys from 1900. Holy. Just hold that forever, no? That's got to be like 10k, no? 0.5 lot, 20,000 pips or something. Like 10, 15k. Not bad, eh? Chat, I feel like Q4 PA has been very good though recently. Has Trump spoken out since about the whole tariff thing? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Chat, how many people's crypto accounts got wiped over the weekend, bro? Well, not wiped. Yeah, I guess if you were leveraged, you definitely got wiped. Mine's in the bin. Nice. Price didn't even sweep London low and Asian highs. Peak. SG, how'd you get those levels? Because it's just a slow rise in price. I looked at like the 30 minute, bro, to be honest. 30 minute and 15 minute. Whenever there's like no levels, you really need to drop down to like lower time frames to take a look. You see we've got levels like here and here. On the 30, there's like a level right here. It's quite difficult because, yeah, it's essentially just ranging a little bit upwards, right? When you see something like this, chat, where it's like ranging, but it's also moving in one direction, that's still liquidity being grabbed, right? Some people call it like a bull flag or a bet. Like, I don't even know what it's called, right? But it's actually just liquidity being grabbed over and over. Might need to turn Trump tweet notifications on. Facts. I know all my crypto, like all my boys who trade crypto or meme coins or whatever, they basically just have like every important person in terms of like markets notifications on, like Powell, the Binance guy, CZ or whatever his name is, like Trump, Elon Musk, all of those people. I got 2 phones, one for my mum and one for Trump tweets. Fire. What are your thoughts about the recent crypto crash? I think there's a lot of room for us to come further down. Everyone's super aggressively buying right now. Everyone that I know is like, yeah, buy the dip, buy the dip. And whenever that happens, I'm always like a bit concerned. Kind of want it to be like, yo, is this the end? And that's when you start buying. When you should really start buying is when you're the most scared to buy. Apparently people took their lives after this dip. I know one guy did, but that guy was also there was a guy in Ukraine and he was in charge of crypto trading or cryptocurrency in general for like the Ukrainian government and the Ukrainian mafia or some shit. So bro was probably dead either way. Those Ukrainians, man, they don't play. So it's just a mafia out there. I'm gonna get another job to stack some cash for 2026 dip. It's not a bad idea, bro. Yeah, actually, if F9, bro, that word's banned here. Unfortunately, chat, that's the one word we ban. J-O-B. I don't even know what it really means. Oh, finish that sentence. Oh, you want to finish it? Hope to pull back to 40.59 on spot. We can then grab some delicious longs. Delicious longs. 59. It's quite fast though, but yeah. I did not see Tom on the couch. He blended in. Yeah, it's because he's grey, right? And the couch is grey as well, so it's like... Scrum diddly umptious. Chat, 70 likes on the stream. Please? You guys are killing it recently with the sport. No capo. No kizzy. Chat, yeah, we are popping up here, man. If we can close above on this hourly, we might be in for a nice little scrumptious long. You know what else is scrumptious and long? It's not very nice, is it? Chat, $10 million, maybe? What do we think about $10 million? I would say I wouldn't be opposed to it. You?
I could get on board with 10 million.
Yeah, I'd take it. 190 mil. Yeah, chat, anyone who says money doesn't buy you happiness, right? If I sent you $10 million right now, do you think you'd still be pissed off? It's like, oh, it's just life shit. It's fucking shit. It's just shit, man. It's just shit. 1 minute and 45 seconds till the close here, chat. Let's see what happens. Let us see. Low key, lots of opportunity here. If you close above this level, I think buys look pretty nice. I'm trying to stream.
Sorry.
Yeah. 2 glasses of milk, please. Yeah, 15 cons. TP up at the highs, maybe. Maybe even past the highs. Doesn't look bad, chat. Does not look bad. 15 looks good. 30 looks decent. I would like the 30 to close doji, kind of. That would be really nice. What's the 1 minute saying? Structure looks a little bit better. Above the highs. 5 minute looks good. 23, baby mother. No, 20... Wait, it's not even that, is it? 22, baby. 23 baby, 22 baby matter. Real bad man. 30 seconds, chat. Let's lock it in. Lots of opportunity here. It's time to catch some juicy longs. Should we start the NPC stream? Thank you for the roses. Bottom wick first, please, chat. Bottom wick first. You know the vibes.
I'll have one bottom wick, please.
One bottom wick, please. Oh my days, was that before the close? There's absolutely no way it just did that a second before the close, bro. Bro, I just saw the mega volume come in like 1 second before the close. Juicy longs is a crazy statement, it actually is. Bro, if that would have closed above, we could have been so nice there. It's gonna rip. It made the bottom wick just like literally a second too early. I think this rips up towards the highs though. But, yep, there it is.
I'm not gonna lie, that is sort of ridiculous. I had why Sam's not even, I know he does. Yeah, closing underneath it. That is actually ridiculous. Like, I nearly loaded up the position there as well, but that's so dumb. That is so dumb. They just don't want us to get a trade tonight. Not tonight, today. You're in on FX. Where does Sam have? Is it this one? I don't really know what the difference between the two is. I think it's just two different. I don't know. I don't do Forex. I only ever done futures. Last night's trade was crazy, mate. Let me find where I entered on my laptop. 0:30. So I had an entry. Where's Sam's Ray? Yeah. So 700 pointies, which is pretty fucking fire. I let it run until this point here. Previous all-time highs. That's where I closed out. Which, to be honest, like, I kind of knew it was going to continue up, but you know, you kind of have to TP on what makes sense, not just what you have a feeling based on.
Put that on folk man.
Yeah. Put it on Jarse. That is crazy though. Like, when you go on the 1 hour and Bruce just came just underneath it.
Yeah.
It's retarded. To be fair though, it is rejecting. So if you FOMO'd in here,
That's what I said. Chat.
might not be too good.
There was 2 opportunities for you to FOMO today. Now, the first opportunity for FOMO, you would have got wrecked. The second opportunity, you would have got wrecked. SG won't sleep tonight. No FOMO though. Nah, I don't even care, man. It's got to the point now where if I get a trade or don't get a trade, it doesn't really matter to me. I know I'll get one eventually. Question is, chat, how badly do you guys want it? Because if you can't withstand FOMO, then you're basically cooked. Low-key, if I was Baron Trump right now, I'd start a signals group. Crypto signals group. Entrance is 500k.
Well, what I was telling you, the most profitable strategy start of the year was to mirror his portfolio.
The Baron Trump play. The BT. What we want in? Ad popped up. Everything.
I have a buy limit on EU. I don't trade EU, bro, but hopefully it plays out. Chat, this is so indecisive right now. If this 15 closes bullish like this, above this previous high, it does look good, right? The hourly closed below. So it's pretty cooked. Kinda interesting, chat. Baron Trump is on a Minecraft server giving signals with signs in game, so he can't be traced. Low key, I genuinely think that type of shit happens, you know? Do you not leave wiggle room for closures above and below? Yeah, but that was definitely below, bro. It does happen. Yeah, they definitely do some insider trading shit on like Minecraft servers or like Roblox or some shit like that. Didn't they all used to do it on like RuneScape or some shit? I swear that people used to like meet up on RuneScape and like send messages to each other.
I'm not sure if that's law.
Wait, but surely in Minecraft servers there's like a log of the text chat. Oh, not on signs though. Actually, no, there must be, bro, because it must be coded in somehow. There must be a log of it, bro. How would it show up otherwise? It must know what's being typed. Howdy, gang. What's good, Mr. Woods? Not Mr. Wood.
Woody.
Unless you re-roll the server to exactly that save in that minute. I don't know, man. Would it not be better just to get like a... Yeah, and who's checking it? This is true. Yeah, but then you gotta deep it. Like, why has this 85-year-old American senator got a PC with just Minecraft on it? Foo. Bro's casting spells on me.
The African uncles and Nazis.
Uncle, it's working! I've been sent from Africa to destroy you. I fucking love those videos. Laptop in a plastic bag inside a box, dug down, easy. What? The spell videos? Yeah, the spell ones are so good. No work till Thursday, so time to lock in, you feel me? Ah, yeah, Zimmy. Yeah, fire. I'm gonna do one in USG, watch out. No. Actually just sounds more like a turbo, I can't lie. That's what they do, no? Why is it that ile? That's the one, no? You not seen that?
No.
It's like ile. If I'm making 200 mil a trade, I'm taking the weirdest, most questionable route to communicate. How about this, bro? In person. No record of that. No weapon formed against SG shall prosper. Hard. I'm screenshotting that. US bank holiday? Well, I just read a Discord chat out. Doesn't really make much sense. But yeah, it is a US bank holiday for Bays who asked. Chat, every night I dream about 10 mil. Too many things to distract you? What if you, Blizzy, what about this? You spend like 10 years creating your own language that only you and someone else knows, and then you speak in that. I don't have the Wapdale, but I'll send you the link.
Oh, it's in the pinned comment. Chat, if you guys do want to join the streams from next week on and get access to my entire trading course by joining the TRS Academy, the only week slots are going to be a discounted price is going to be this week, right? So make sure you jump in before the end of the week, otherwise they go back up. 5-minute closure above, retest, flip, entry. Yeah, I mean, potentially. It doesn't look bad. I'd rather wait for a higher time frame, though. 15 doesn't look terrible. Anyway, I opened it long at 40.77, then I sold at 40.82. Maybe too early, but W. Yeah, W, bro. Or does that say whatever? Chat, I realized I made a mistake by buying the new iPhone 17 Pro. Because it's so responsive. It's got that new, like, crazy screen. It's so good for doom scrolling, bro. It's so good for it. TikTok has never seemed so immersive. Which is kind of worrying. And the refresh rate and shit, the scrolls just feel... They just feel so smooth.
You never got to experience it in 20 years before.
Chat, we are ripping right now. Another all-time high for gold here. Chat, 123 people, man. Drop a like on the stream. Let's get to 70 likes. We're like 10 likes off.
What's it at right now? What number? The price?
4107.
120. I mean, yeah, 119 was the magical number that I marked out last night.
3. It's a magic number.
I reckon we definitely get that.
You know the message I sent you earlier? I deleted Instagram because the doom scrolling was part of the reason. Bro, it's so bad. It's actually terrible, man. I fall victim to it every now and again. Chat, we are absolutely ripping here. I told you we'd rip. But the problem is we closed below in the last... Like, literally, that was the last second. It was genuinely the last second of the candle. Chat, I might just doom scroll now. I'm joking. I was doing well before, but it sucked me back and it's held me hostage for months. Hostage, you know. Got a nice pullback buy. Nice, JJ. Good stuff. Chat, this is just mad now. What you could do is we could wait for a closure above and then a bottom wick retesting here. That could be the buy. What did I tell you though, chat? I actually called this. I told you couldn't take the buy off of this re-break of the high here because it was essentially like catching the higher high. Remember I drew it out? And then now, chat, you can see I said we needed to catch the low, which would have been here, but unfortunately the hourly just closed that little bit below in the last second of the candle. Which is so annoying. Oh! Oh! I think I'm gonna need some pre-workout for this pull.
Yeah, it's backing up.
No. Alright, chat, I'm gonna watch this 15 and we'll see what happens here. If we can get a nice little pullback, we should be good. You have a team or you trade alone, brother? The private Discord is basically my team, man. But yeah, obviously, I mean, look, I trade by myself, unless it's on streams or in the call with the academy group, right? I'm head out. Kurt, see you tomorrow. All right, raise in a bit, man. I was beautiful discipline. Yeah, W discipline. To avoid the doom scroll. Can't lie, whenever I scroll in the morning, it gets me for the entire day. Chat, by the way, we're already on 10,200 subs from hitting 10k a couple of days back. How crazy is that, no? The growth's been insane. You guys are about to see 20k shortly. 1 minute to the 15 close, chat. I'd want to see a pullback into like 4103 now. Oh my days, it's actually going to rip up before the close.
Only way I could take this trade is if we get a bottom wick down to like 41.03. I think that would be valid. It's insane how we've just been running up all day. What's gold doing against the euro? Oh wait, let me wait for this closure and then I'll check. Oh. Yeah, pretty good actually, chat. Just break the highs. Just break the highs. That'd be good. We wanted that, no? I think this might be cooked, chat. I think this might be cooked. This is insane stuff, man. This is actually genuinely insane. Alright, that's it. Full margin. Trust me. Trust me, daddy. You're about to see 4k euros for for an ounce of gold. Made 1.5k on EU. Nice. Congrats. Chat, this is just ridiculous. Please tell me how you're about to get like... Bro, this is insane. Absolutely insane. We're up like, today alone, we're up like 3% on gold. Wait, against the dollar, it's probably even more. Yeah, 2.5%, which for a gold move is ridiculous, bro. 2.5% of the gold market is like, you know how much volume that is? What's the total gold market cap? Oh, I guess, can you measure that?
Yeah.
No, because like...
All of the gold.
Nah, because it won't count the gold like underneath the ground and shit.
No.
27.481 trillion, I think it says. But when was that written? Oh no, it is actually adjusting to it. Okay. That is insane. So every time it goes up by 1%, right? It's going up by like, what is that? 270 billion?
Is that how much it is?
Every time gold, the market goes up by 1%, that means that, yeah, the like $270 billion is being added to the total.
That is insane. That is absolutely insane. I'm gonna put this real now. Don't think anything's gonna happen on the mark.
Joining late, any trade yet? Alfranzo, what's good, man? No, nothing yet. We're still waiting. Realistically, we might not get anything here. What's the 15 doing?
Top work.
You're low-key if the 30 closes like this above. Chat, I'll wait for NYSE open, right? We've got 10 minutes till NYSE. If the 30 closes above like this and you get a bottom wick, it does look pretty clean, I'm not going to lie. Alright? Other than that, though, other than that, there's no positions. We forgot to vlog again this morning.
Well, we're not really, yeah.
Chat, did anyone catch any of this move upwards? Or no? Oh, it might be Sleepy VPs. I did? W, what'd you catch? Chat, how much are you guys up or down today? Check Discord. I'm B right now, letting it run. W. There's nothing in the Discord, man. Whoa! Chat, I'm thinking about doing a funded challenge series soon. I mean, like where we just run a funded challenge up together in the Discord. Like in here, right? Basically what I'll do is I'll buy a funded challenge, maybe like Alpha Futures or maybe Apex, I don't know. Maybe Top Step actually. And then we'll just take it to the past together. What car are you rolling in? I have a Range Rover Sport. I used to have a CLA AMG, but sold it. I'm in a position stops of you. Nice, Danny. Practical. Bro, in Cyprus, there's a lot of mountains and shit. We go to the beach a lot. It's the most... It's not only just practical, bro. It's fucking quick as well, to be honest. It's like 3.2 litre twin turbo. It's probably quicker than my AMG was, I can't lie. It's scary fast. It's actually really fucking quick. But yeah, I guess it is practical, to be fair. For Cyprus as well. I don't think I could ever fast for a big car. Yeah, I suppose so. I don't think I could ever have a smaller car now. I mean, like only a smaller car. My next car will probably be a G-Wagon, and then I'll get like a Porsche to go alongside that, right? But I will never have just like a supercar because it's just, I don't know. Cyprus in terms of tax, 2% I pay. I pay 2% tax. What's your dream car? Probably a GT3 RS. At the minute, at least. Chad, look at this 5 came down, grab liquidity. That's probably the retest of that level that you needed to see. Which is kind of sad, right? Because that's what I wanted from this 30. Just something light. Yeah, just something easy, man. Just a G-Wagon, a Porsche, right? Relocate to Dubai, 0% tax? No, Dubai is actually 9% corporation tax. But I don't want to live in Dubai, bro. I'd much rather live in Cyprus. It's way better. Way, way better. Cyprus is genuinely the best country on the planet, in my opinion, right now. Dubai would be nice for a couple of weeks, I think, but what are you going to do after that? You born there? No, I'm English. I lived in the UK until like last year. I wish I was born here, bro. Then I'd have a passport and then I could just fully chill. Low key. No, actually, I don't know. Is it just you two in the house trading together? I mean, my girl lives here. Well, it's mine and my girl's house, right? Like, Tom's just, like, not just visiting, but you know what I mean? Staying with us. My girl's in another country right now. So, yeah, it's just us two. Spread betting account is tax-free in the UK? Yeah, I know. Trust me, I traded a live account for long enough in the UK. I know the rules. She has a visa as your business is there? My girl's from Europe, bro. She doesn't need a visa. It's in the EU. But yeah, she does have one for tax purposes, but you don't actually need one. Because what I can do is I can pay my girl like 2K a month, and then she gets that tax-free. It's another little added benefit. Found out if I trade my personal account and claim my Jamaican citizenship, I can pay 0% tax. Holy. That's the move then. That's the move. Chat, fuck paying taxes, honestly. If you can find a legal way out of paying taxes, 100% do it. It's retarded, bro. I'm not working half the year for free. That's why I left the UK, man. You're telling me I make like 200k a year. I've got to pay 100k in tax to the government. Sounds pretty fair, to be honest. Especially because the UK is a shithole now. Fair enough in the 90s, whatever, when the UK was like the best country on the planet, but UK is not even the UK anymore. Unfortunately, the UK is not even the UK anymore, man. I don't recognize the country that I grew up in. Chat, this 15 flipped here and it's breaking the highs. You're going to rip up right now. That 5 flip might have been a decent entry. It's now full of what? Do you pay tax for all your profits? What, are you the fucking tax authority or something? How much did you pay in tax this year? How much was your income? How much were you able to deduct from your income? Get my father's birth certificate, then applying for Jamaican passport. Oh, King Woods, we might have to get married, bro, so I can get the Jamaican passport as well. I'm trying to get as many as I could. Any word on morning news? Let's go, Benjamin. What do you mean morning news, my G? Like the tariff shit. Got sucked into lower time frame trading, trying to specify even more, going back to higher time frame. Bro, I think there's like a good mix you can develop, to be honest, bro. High impact news? Oh, I don't know. Is there news today? It's a bank holiday, G. There's no news today. It's just not for me. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Fair play, bro. Fair play. I don't blame you. But yeah, chat, low-key, Cyprus is the best country on the planet if you're an entrepreneur that wants to actually make some bread and save some money and do all this sort of shit, right? Fortunately, I'm already married, bro. I don't think that matters, bro. We could be polyamorous. How much would you say you need to make before moving to Cyprus for tax? 10k a month, probably. 10k a month, something like that. Maybe not even that. 5k, I say. Because if you think about it, right? How much are you going to pay in those? It depends also on your situation as well. How's the car detailing scene out there? Any opportunities? Yes, bro. I need a car detailer ASAP. Come detail my car, please. There's lots of bougie-ass cars in Limassol and it's very dusty, so cars are very dirty, bro. Honestly, if someone came to my house to clean my car, I would pay them a lot of money. Like, there definitely is people out there, but I don't want to go find one. But if someone would come to my house like once a week and clean my car, I'd pay them a lot of money.
What if I clean your car?
You just like clean half it and then be like, I've done it all.
You can give me half pay, half rate.
It's really only 2%. Seems so good. You pay 12% on corporation tax and then 2% on your dividends. But yeah, it's basically like, I mean, it depends, bro, because you can write shit off as well. Trade for a company? A company, yeah. But to be fair, stocks are tax-free in Cyprus, chat. So if you're investing, then yeah, you can get tax-free stock gains. For real, bro, I was looking to move the business, but I need to have a contact in Cyprus. Bro, I'll give you my lawyer's number, man. He does everything. Like the visa, he'll set up the company for you, set up your bank accounts. So good, man. It's definitely the best way to do it because otherwise, like I know people that have taken like 4 or 5 months to get bank accounts. It took me a week to get everything pretty much set up. Live close to Iron Apple? No. I mean, it's like an hour. How much to set up? Again, it depends on your situation, bro. I paid for myself. I paid for my girl. I paid to set up 2 companies here. I'm from the UK, so it cost me a little bit more. If you're from Europe, it's super cheap. I paid like 10k though. But you got to bear in mind, I was paying like for 2 people. I think it'd be like 5k otherwise. Like that includes everything though. The lawyer will go to the meetings for you. Bear in mind, it's all done in Greek. I need that shit too. DM me if you want help on moving to Cyprus, bro. I'll hit you up. I'll hook you up, sorry. You gotta hit me up. My Instagram's at Trendlines, alright? DM me there. It's the best place to reach me. Or DM me on Discord. You able to share the details? Yeah, just DM me.
All right, chat. 30-minute closing right now. Let's see what we do here. If we get a big bottom wick, chat, we can potentially look at the buys here. That is unbelievable, Jeff. Is it possible to run a company in Cyprus and still, for example, be in Germany? Yeah, it is, bro. It is. You don't need to live in Cyprus to have a company here. You can get it all set up. Like, my girl still has her German citizenship, right?
Oh my gosh, this is cooked.
Do you trade on bank holidays? Yeah, I will trade bank holidays, bro, if there's a setup. But right now, this is cooked. This is cooked, man. Chat, by the way, join the free Discord if you haven't already, man. It's such a valuable community in there. Full of either profitable traders or people trying to become profitable, right? Super locked in. I'm going to be doing a free funded challenge in there soon as well. Open topic first, Danny. Yeah, no bueno. All right, chat, look, listen, drop a like on the stream. By the way, like I said, man, we have I've just opened up my TRS Academy, right? Which is going to be the most valuable fucking thing in the trading space. $74 a month. You're going to get daily trading streams with me. Once I stop the YouTube streams, you're going to get my free course, my full course, not the free course, the paid course, which is kind of crazy. As well as signals, access to me, etc. Right? Super, super valuable. So if you join that within the week, you get it for the $74. Otherwise, next week the price goes up. And yeah, honestly, make sure you do it because realistically, you're selling yourself profitability if you don't. WTRLS? W, man. WWW. What's rent like in Cyprus? Cheap as fuck. I live in Limassol, which is the most expensive city to live in, right? Because it's basically like the equivalent of London. It's like the business district. Right, I pay like 2K a month for a fucking like really, really, really nice apartment. TRLS is going to the moon? Nah, it actually is, low-key. I genuinely see this community becoming monumental within the next year. Time to bet 2 houses on the GeoGuessr? Yeah, bro's got 2 houses from yesterday, double or nothing. Smart move. Andre, how did you find your apartment in Cyprus? There's a few options, right? You can either contact like an estate agent, which is kind of what I did. I just paid, not paid someone, but I got someone to do it for me. Otherwise, Bazaraki is a good site. It basically means market. All right, my people then. I'm off ski. See you tomorrow. All right, man, in a bit. Chat, join the GeoGuessr. Join up, join up, join up. For a single person, about $100 per, $1,000 per month. Decent up market, very, yeah. If you live outside of Limassol as well, chat, you're getting somewhere for like 600, 700. Bro, but bear in mind, I live in like the Hollywood Hills equivalent, right? I live in a really bougie area of Cyprus, of Limassol, sorry, and I have a really big apartment, and yeah, I don't know. So like, realistically, you could get something quite, very, very decent. It's kind of crazy. Gioikas is crazy. Daddy SG is mad. We better not let Daddy SG win today. Unk SG as well. What do you pay? I pay 2,000 euros a month for my rent, which is so cheap. I honestly, if this place was in London, it would be 20k a month. Nah, probably 10. Maybe not. And if this place was in like Dubai or somewhere like that, it would easily be 10k a month. I don't know how the fuck it's so cheap, to be honest. Yeah, man. Oh my days. No way someone got like exactly on it. Bro was like 10 meters away. Yeah, man. I went silent there. I had to look in. I dropped you a DM on IG. All right, I got you, bro. I got you. I'll get back to you after stream. What does that even say, man? Oh, it's gonna have to be a classic middle of Europe guess. Same as always. I don't know where it is, so I'm sticking it in the middle. Yeah, nowhere near. It's always good. Poo-poo-poo-poos? No? Ooh. Where we at, man? Galaxy tab, bro. I don't want a Galaxy tab. I want you to tell me where I'm at. That has to be here, no? That just has to be. Yep. Thank you. Oh, it's a tight game, man. Final round. The house? Oh shit, yeah, the house. Ooh. Third place. Fuck. I'll take a third. Mr. Hake the Jake. Radiant Fjord. I'll take a third, man. I'm on the streets. Fuck. Dylan, my bad, man. My bad. Listen, man, chat, that's been it from me. I'll catch you guys in the next one, chat. Peace out. See you guys on tomorrow's stream. Much love. Join the Discord. Join TRS Academy as well. Link in the pinned chat right now. Like I said, price goes up next week. See you guys later. Much love. Bye-bye.